Good morning class. Continuing with the median, today we are going to study the median of grouped data. Grouped data means data given in the form of table. You have to find the median of that data. It is given marks obtained and the number of students. You already know marks obtained is xi and number of students is fi. This thing must be clear that which is xi and which is fi. Rest to find the median, the steps will remain the same. So to find the median in grouped data, we will create a table, the new table. First is marks obtained, that is xi. Second is number of students, that is fi. And third column is cumulative, cumulative, cumulative frequency, denoted by CF. So the first step was arranging the data in ascending order. Again we will be writing the data in ascending order. From the xi, tell me what will come at the first place? 15. And the frequency of 15 is 3. After 15 what will come? 17. 17 frequency is 5. Then after 17, 20. Frequency is 9. Then 22 frequency is 4. 25 frequency is 6. Then 30. Frequency is 10. Now the main thing, the cumulative frequency. In the cumulative frequency, first write the first frequency 3. Cumulative means to add. Next we have to add 5 with 3. What will you get? 8. Now 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. We are moving in this fashion. 21 plus 6, 27. And 27 plus 10, we got 37. And here the last entry in the cumulative frequency will give you n. Now tell me, n is equal to 37. Even or odd? Odd. And median will be, the formula remains the same. Median will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Put the value of n. 37 plus 1 upon 2th observation. 37 plus 1, 38 upon 2th observation. 2 ones are 2, 2, 19. What we get? 19th observation. Now we have to know what will be the 19th observation. Earlier we just counted the observations and got the 19th. Now we have to check the 19th observation from this cumulative frequency. First of all, identify 19 will come between 17 and 21. Always remember 17 and 21. We have to take the next one. Like 17 and 21, this is the first, this is the second. So we have to take the second cumulative frequency. It is 21. And the answer will be the xi of this cumulative frequency. Xi means 21 corresponds to 22. So the answer is 22. First we have to look for the cumulative frequency. Identify the cumulative frequency, then the xi of that cumulative frequency, that is 22. We will be discussing more questions based on this. Don't worry for that. Now the next question is, find the median of the following data. I have written it wrong. Median of the following data. What we have here is, the data is given to us. What is the first step? Arrange the data in ascending order. Let's arrange. This is weight is xi, number of boys is fi. So you can simply write xi, fi and cumulative frequency. Xi, what will be the first Xi? 45 frequency is 8. Next will be 46, frequency is 5. Then 48, frequency is 6. Actually, this data is already in ascending order. So we can write it as it is. 50, frequency 9. 52, frequency 7. 54, frequency 4. And 55. What is the frequency? 2. Now it's time for the cumulative frequency. First we will write as it is 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 9, 28. 28 plus 7, 35. And 35 plus 4, 39. 39 plus 2, 41. Now 41 is there. We have 41. I told you the last observation will be n. N is equal to 41. Is it even or odd? It is odd. Now the formula for median. Median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. N is 41 plus 1 upon 2. What you will get? 42 upon 2th observation. Cancel it out and you will get 21th observation. Now we have to locate 21 is in between which two cumulative frequencies? 21. It will be between 19 and 28. This is the first and second. We have to take the second one. So 28 is the cumulative frequency and median will be the Xi of this class. The Xi is 50. So final answer is 50.